सो शुड वी टैग तुकाराम मुंडे जी? मुंडे जी, ये अभी यहाँ पर ये इंस्टा मार्ट से हमारे घर में कॉकरोचेस आ रहे हैं, आप कहाँ हैं? ध्यान दीजिए। तेरा छोटा ए तो हमने इंस्टा मार्ट से ये मंगाया, रेड बुल मंगाया, और इस रेड बुल के साथ इंस्टा मार्ट से हमारे घर में कॉकरोच भी आया। ये देखिए, कॉकरोच पूरे घर में भाग रहा है।
कि जो आदमी खाने पे मिलावट करता है उसको मर्डर का नहीं तो अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर का उस पर केस लगना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत लोगों को मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है थोड़े से मुनाफे की खातिर।
A cockroach allegedly arrived with a cold drink delivery, and Shweta Tiwari knew exactly who to tag. The actor took to social media with a video showing a cockroach crawling around her house and directly tagged Maharashtra FDA Commissioner Tukaram Munde, asking him to look into the matter. But this isn't an isolated complaint. It comes at a time when Munde's food safety crackdown has put restaurants, fast food chains, quick commerce warehouses, and even celebrity endorsements under the scanner. And now, with Shweta's cockroach complaint and actor Rakesh Bedi's explosive remarks on food adulteration, the conversation around what Indians are actually consuming has become even louder. So what exactly happened, and why has Tukaram Munde become the go-to name for food safety complaints online? Shweta Tiwari's complaint came through an Instagram story. The actor claimed she had ordered Red Bull through Swiggy Instamart, but said the delivery came with an unexpected extra, a cockroach. In the video, Shweta showed the insect crawling around her house and questioned whether she should tag Maharashtra FDA Commissioner Tukaram Munde.
So should we tag तुकाराम मुंडे जी? मुंडे जी, ये अभी यहाँ पर ये इंस्टा मार्ट से हमारे घर में कॉकरोचेस आ रहे हैं, आप कहाँ हैं? ध्यान दीजिए। तेरा मार दूं, कहाँ है? छोटा है ए।
She then directly addressed Munde, asking him to pay attention to the issue. Shweta did not provide further details about the order beyond identifying the platform, and it is not immediately clear what regulatory action, if any, has been taken in response to her complaint. But the timing is significant because Maharashtra's FDA has already been conducting an aggressive crackdown on food safety violations. Over the past few weeks, Tukaram Munde-led FDA inspections have targeted everything from popular restaurant chains to the dark stores powering quick commerce deliveries. In a recent statewide drive, the FDA inspected 86 establishments linked to online food sales and delivery. It issued 60 improvement notices and suspended 14 food business licenses linked to platforms including Blinkit, Zepto, and Instamart. Inspections reportedly found problems including cockroach infestations, rodent droppings, expired products, and other hygiene lapses. And that makes Shweta's complaint particularly relevant, because the very issue she highlighted in her home, a cockroach allegedly coming with a quick commerce delivery, is similar to the kind of pest control and hygiene concerns the FDA has been finding during its inspections. But Munde's crackdown isn't limited to quick commerce. The FDA has also gone after some of the biggest names in the fast food business. 4 Domino's outlets, including 3 in Mumbai, had their food business licenses suspended over alleged food safety and hygiene violations. The inspections flagged issues involving pest control, food storage, temperature monitoring, potable water, and hygiene facilities. The broader inspection drive also covered other major chains. The message from the regulator has been clear: being a big brand does not put you above food safety rules. And then came another major area of the crackdown: food adulteration. FDA action has included raids linked to suspected adulterated milk and dairy products, with authorities seizing products such as mawa, paneer, and ghee over suspected adulteration. The department has also been inspecting canteens and other establishments, reinforcing the idea that food safety rules are meant to apply across the board. Munde's approach has earned him plenty of attention online, with some social media users even dubbing him Asli Singham, And while Shweta Tiwari has raised a very specific complaint, actor Rakesh Bedi has taken the larger issue of adulteration head-on. In a video shared online, Bedi spoke about adulteration in food, beverages and alcohol and questioned why people who compromise public health for profit don't face harsher punishment. His message was blunt: those who deliberately adulterate food should face charges as serious as attempted murder.
बहुत सारी चीजें नकली हैं हमारे देश में, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, खाने की बहुत सारी चीजें नकली हैं। और मेरा ये मानना है कि जो आदमी खाने पे मिलावट करता है उसको मर्डर का नहीं तो अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर का उस पर केस चल लगना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो बहुत लोगों को मारने की कोशिश कर रहा है थोड़े से मुनाफे की खातिर।
Bedi's comments came against the backdrop of the ongoing Maharashtra FDA crackdown, adding a celebrity voice to a conversation that has increasingly moved from food quality to public safety and accountability. And Munde's crackdown has entered Bollywood territory too. The Maharashtra FDA has issued show-cause notices to Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgan and Tiger Shroff over their endorsement of Vimal Ilaichi. The regulator has alleged that the campaign could amount to surrogate promotion of pan masala given the brand's association with the prohibited product. The actors have been asked to respond to the notices, while the FDA has sought details including endorsement agreements, fees, and due diligence records. The action is part of the same broader push to hold not just manufacturers and sellers, but everyone involved in the promotional chain accountable. There has also been action on something much more everyday: how street food is served. The FDA has reinforced restrictions against roadside stalls and eateries using newspapers to serve or pack food over concerns about chemicals from printing ink coming into contact with food. Officials have also targeted the use of unsafe artificial colors in certain street food preparations. And on another front, the FDA has been cracking down on suspected synthetic milk and dairy adulteration. Now, if we put all of this together, a pattern begins to emerge. From a cockroach allegedly arriving with a quick commerce delivery to hygiene violations at major food chains, from suspected food, drinks and milk adulteration to celebrity endorsements being scrutinized, the Maharashtra FDA's current campaign is touching almost every part of the food ecosystem. And Shweta Tiwari's viral complaint has now brought that larger crackdown directly into the homes of consumers. Because for most people, food safety isn't an abstract regulatory issue. It starts with something as simple as what exactly is inside the food we buy. And whether it comes from a roadside stall, a famous restaurant, or a delivery app, the expectation remains the same. It should be safe. For now, Shweta's cockroach complaint is awaiting clarity on what action, if any, follows. But one thing is certain: Munde's food safety crackdown has become impossible to ignore. And with celebrities, quick commerce giants, and major food chains all entering the conversation, this battle over safe food and accountability is only getting bigger. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.